Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord app not connecting to voice channels. So if your Discord app is not connecting to voice channels, then in this video I found a few ways in order to fix this. I just quickly want to say before we get into the first fix is that I'm currently using an iPhone in order to show all of those fixes. However, it will be completely the same over on your Android, and all of those fixes can also be applied if you're using a Windows or a Mac. So just make sure to follow along. So the first thing you want to make sure to do is to check if the Discord servers are down. So if the Discord servers are down, this basically means that you will never be able to join any server or maybe not even able to open Discord. So if that is the case, what you can do is simply head over to this website called Down Detector, go into the search bar and then just simply type in Discord basically just like this. And once you've done that, you want to see if there's any crazy peaks just like this. We can literally see that only about 12 hours ago there was a massive basically peak. And this basically means that there was most likely some sort of a problem going on for just a split second basically on Discord. So if that is currently happening to you, just wait a few hours and then that issue should automatically be resolved and you should be able to connect to voice channels after that again. Now, if that basically did not fix that issue for you, what you can also try and do is open the Discord app just like this. And basically, once you've done that, simply head over to settings on the Discord app by going at the bottom right corner of your screen, then the top right corner of your screen, and then scrolling down all the way at the bottom until you find clear caches right here. So just simply click on that a few times and then all of your cache will be cleared. And you want to see if it's now working after you've basically reopened the app. If it's still not working, what I would also recommend doing is making sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection, because in order to actually talk to someone on Discord, you need to have a pretty strong Wi-Fi connection. Otherwise, it will just not go fluent at all and it will just not work at all. So just make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or that cellular mode is enabled, which needs to be strong as well. Now, if that still did not fix the issue for you, what you can also simply try and do is just completely restart your entire device. This can be done on Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, it will all be the same. Just restart your device to see if maybe that will just automatically fix that issue for you. Now, if that still did not fix the issue for you, what you can simply try as well is reinstalling the app. And now it sounds really easy, but literally just reinstalling an app will 99% of the time fixes any issue you are having with the app. Do keep in mind that some documents and data might be lost, so either back that up or just go with it and just reinstall the app to see if it's then working. And if that is still not working, then the last fix I have for you right now in this video is simply updating your app. You can do this over in your browser if you're using a desktop, or you can do this through the App Store or Google Play Store, just typing in Discord and then just updating the app, and then you can see if maybe that just fixed the issue for you. So yeah, that's all I have for you right now. Please let me know down in the comments below if some of those fixes fixed it for you. If they did, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.